Hello and welcome to the listing for this Fisher and Paykel fridge freezer. As you can see, the overall condition is very good. There are a couple of minor little dents, 1, 2, 3, and a couple here on this right door, and a bit of scratching up there, but the most important thing is the internals. And as you can see, all working. Very big fridge freezer. So yeah, apart from those marks, very good condition, and this is still in a current fridge freezer retailing at approximately £3,000. So it's about as good as it gets in good overall condition, apart from a minor few marks on that right door. So there we go. Thanks for watching.